What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are in the bathroom, so you know what that means. It's Mask Monday, yay! I know, I'm a big cheese ball, I know. Anyway, so today's Mask Monday, I'm going to be reviewing two new masks. I'm doing one and Tom's doing the other. He's going to lend his face for this review for me. So, first things first, I also wanted to show you guys these things that I picked up, which are pretty freaking cool. And all these are from e.l.f, by the way. These are pore cleaning tools, which I'll show you how these work in just a sec. But before I jump into this video, let me first say, if you're new to my channel, what's up? I'm Jen. Thank you for joining me. And if you're a returning viewer, what's up? What's good? How you been? Glad you made it back. Now you guys know what to do. You know what it is. I'm always asking you the same things. And I know a lot of you aren't subscribed. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified. Please help a girl out. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs. And I need you to do that to help me get there. Alright guys, help a girl out. Alright, let's jump into this video. Now the e.l.f. mask that I am personally doing is this 3-step, and it's a nose mask. The first step is soften and prep the skin. Step 2 is extract dirt and impurities. And step 3 is soothe and tighten the pores. So that's pretty cool. Okay, step 1. Oh, also, and Tom's going to do this mask. They got a bunch of new masks in, so that's why we're doing it all. He's doing the aloe-infused soothing mask. It's supposed to cool, calm, and collected. It says cool, calm, and collected your skin after this. So, this one has, it says, this sheet mask soothes the skin for an even, calmed complexion. So, yeah, it says, make your skin say, ah, with this soothing sheet mask infused with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Use this sheet mask at any time your skin needs some TLC. Beauty tip, keep in the fridge for a refreshing cooling sensation. That's good to know for like the summer. If you get sunburn, you want to throw something like this on, that would be a great tip. Alright, directions. Remove mask from pouch and apply to clean, dry skin. Leave on for 5 minutes. Remove mask gently and pat remaining serum into the skin until fully absorbed. Use once a week or as often as desired, morning or night. Alright, so this is 5 minutes. Let's read what goes on back here. It says, step 1, apply, soften and prep the skin. Apply strip number 1 to soften skin and open pores. And that you leave on for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 2, extract dirt and impurities. Wet nose with warm water. Apply strip number 2 to damp skin. Allow to dry for 5 minutes or until completely hardened. Then slowly peel off to remove blackheads. And step 3, soothe and tighten pores. Apply strip number 3 to tone and tighten the pores. Leave on for 3 minutes. Okay. And these I just wanted to mention real quick. These things were $2. And I don't know how many you get, but 20. And these are really cute because they've got a Q-tip on one end and then a little pore tool on the other. You know, you just kind of press it on and scrape and it gets all your blackheads and whiteheads. And it works really freaking well. So, sorry, I got fuzz stuck to my face. Anyway, I had a pimple here and you just kind of press it over it and it just squirts everything out. You can't see it, but these things are great for a quick, you know, and then you just wipe it up with the Q-tip part. Things are great for in a pinch, you know. So I just wanted to throw these out there. I will list them below. $2 for a pack. They're great. They're handy to have. Keep them in your purse. You know, you can because it's in a sealed thing. You can keep them in your purse. Keep them wherever you need to. Anyway, let's jump into this mask. As always, I have washed my face and I've done my gentle peeling exfoliant, my Origins face wash, e.l.f. Gentle Peeling Exfoliant, you know, my dynamic duo. Had to use those today. And let's get started. Step 1. I'm going to leave this on for 2 minutes. I wonder, is it a strip? What is it? Let me see. Let's see what it do. All right. I don't know if it's just a, oh, it is. It's a little mask. All right. I think I chopped a portion of it off when I cut the top, but that's okay. So you just pop this on like this. There we go. And we leave it on for 2 minutes. I am going to go get Tom set up on his mask because he's gonna lay down and do his. So I'm gonna get him started and I'll be right back. And then after we're done with my mask, I will take a picture, show you how Tom's doing. All right, so I'll be right back. It's been 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. So we're going to take this one off. Next, it says part 2. We're going to wet my nose with warm water and then apply strip number 2 to damp skin. Allow to dry and harden. Okay, warm water. All right, nose is nice and wet. Try my hand. All right. Step 2. Rip this strip. Here we go. Next strip. All right, this one's in. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So it's sticky on one side. It comes out like this, and I'm guessing you put sticky side down. Yeah, let's double check. Damp skin, allow to dry. Yep, I think this is it. So. And I think it's supposed to be warm. I don't know why this has to be wet, but we're gonna try it again. This is supposed to like harden, I guess. All right, read this again. Step 2, wet nose with warm water. After directions were ripped off. Okay. With warm water, apply strip number 2 to damp skin. Allow to dry for 5 minutes or until completely hardened. Then slowly peel off to remove blackheads. So yeah, let's go see how Tom's doing. All right, hold on one moment. All right, here's Tom. Your face looks really red because you can't see the mask. It looks like it's part of your skin. So then the parts that are poking out, they look especially red because you're white and red, you know. Anyway, so how are you liking this mask so far, Tom?
It's not bad. I mean, it's cold.
Yeah, he got a shock to the face.
I don't know if I'd refrigerate it, but you know.
All right, fair enough. So he's laying here for 5 minutes, and we will see him at the end for his final thoughts. So we'll be back. Smoochies. All right. All right, so I'm back. We're gonna attempt to take this off. It is now dried mostly. I mean, it's tiny damp, but that's because I'm sweating. So slowly peel this off. I don't know if it did what it's supposed to. I just think it left me really sticky. I don't know. I gotta rinse this off my nose though. I don't know. I think I might have done it wrong. One side was sticky, so I adhesive, and then the other side was dry, and I put it adhesive side down, but maybe that wasn't proper. I don't freaking know. Why would you have an adhesive side go up though, you know? Maybe it wasn't dry enough. I don't know. So far, not loving this. Let's try the next step real quick. Now this step says apply strip through number 3 to tone and tighten the pores. Leave on for 3 minutes. So it comes out like this, sort of. I pulled that out, but the jelly thing stayed in here, so it's a mess. Oh, and it's hard to grab. It feels like a jellyfish or something, just squirmy and slippery. Ugh. Okay, well, here we go. It's very slippery. Ugh. Yeah, it's very slippery. It's one of those like gel, you know, skin. I can't even get it on my nose. It keeps slipping out of my fingers. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Well, that's as close as it's gonna get, I think. I don't know. I keep trying and it keeps moving. Alright, that's as good as it's gonna get. Alright, I give up. That's it. Alright, we're gonna talk to Tom and see how he feels about his mask. Hold that thought. No, don't do that. We need to see you. Alright, so here's Tom. It's his birthday today. Yay! So say happy birthday to Tom in the comments below. So what did you think of your aloe infused mask?
Well, it was easy and simple. It wasn't hard to do.
Do you feel like it did a nice job? Do you feel hydrated?
Yeah, it does feel all nice and oiled up and lubricated. Best way I can say it.
Uh-huh. Feel this thing. It feels like a jellyfish. And it keeps slipping all over the place. I can't get it to stay put. Anywho, okay, so what's your...
I'll give it a 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up? Alright, that's good. So, would you wear it again?
Yeah, I'd try it again.
Alright, that's good. As far as I'm concerned, this mask that I am doing, I haven't even taken it off yet, but I'm going to say 2 thumbs down. It is, I don't feel like it did a damn thing, except, and it's just complicated to, I know it seems like it should be no-brainer, but again, part 2, I didn't really understand very much. Maybe I'm just an idiot, but it should be pretty idiot-friendly. It's a mask, you know? And this part, I mean, it's just all over the place. It's hard to get on. And I still feel that adhesive stuck to my nose underneath. I don't know. I am going to take something to wipe down my nose, probably some astringent or something to get everything off. But yeah, I wasn't a fan of this mask at all. I think there's got to be something better out there, but this wasn't it. So that's it for today, guys. Again, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and big thumbs up if you enjoyed this, because it really helps me out. Come on, guys, help me hit that 1,000 subs. You can do it.
Yes, you can.
Alright, I love you guys. Till the next one. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.
Bye.